Foodie channel, and today I'm going to talk about growing mushrooms. And yes, I know there's ways of growing mushrooms just using toilet paper, which is a lot cheaper. However, somehow toilet paper and mushrooms that I grow and eat somehow doesn't sit well with me. So I actually bought mushroom growing kits through Amazon. And frankly, I wasn't sure if I was going to be successful in growing these mushrooms. So I didn't get a chance to film this time lapse of the mushrooms growing. So I think I'll do that the next time when I purchase these mushroom kits again, so I can do the whole time lapse video. But at the meantime, for this video, I'll have pictures of how beautifully they grew, and also what I made with these mushrooms. It is so delicious. So I have to say, the mushrooms, it was amazing watching it grow. You see it grow like literally every day, or even from day to the evening, you see a big difference on the size of the mushrooms. But it only takes 7 days and you have to harvest these mushrooms. I have to say also that by the 7th day, they look so beautiful, like a decor, that you don't even want to eat them, harvest them, eat them. But you have to, because if you don't, the mushrooms won't be good. So that was my first harvest, and you can actually get second, third, and fourth growth with them. So I'm actually getting my second growth out of them. However, the second growth on the brown mushroom that I purchased, brown oyster mushroom that is, it was not the same like it grew the first time. It was quite small. So I think I need to work on it a little bit because I actually didn't do much with it. So I didn't really take a picture of it, but I actually have it in the fridge right now. I can actually take a picture of that and put that into the post. But the pink mushrooms are growing better. So I'm going to take a picture of that and also put it in the video. But I'm sure you could have been a lot bigger, and if I'd done it, put more work into it the second time around. But anyway, if you have a backyard, that growth is great with backyard. Actually, Amazon has instructions of what you can do, different options for more growth. But I'm going to use the indoor option, so I just need to work on it a little bit. But I have to say, I got the pink and the brown oyster mushroom. They grow up beautifully. The blue mushrooms I bought, however, I had a little trouble with that one, so I'm going to have to call Amazon on that. But like I said again, the next time I'm going to purchase the kit so I can do the time lapse so that you can see that for yourself. But if you're interested, I'll have the information on this video where you can order the pink and brown oyster mushrooms that I purchased. But definitely it's fun, and I find that these mushrooms that I grew has a lot more mushroom flavor, full of mushroom flavor, than the ones I purchased through the supermarket. So I don't think it's my imagination, because I truly enjoy the mushrooms, especially the pink ones. It's so velvety, you know. So anyway, I really enjoyed it, and I hope you will as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share on my YouTube channel, please. Thank you. Bye.